guys, I just went to the doctor's clinic and then I went, that's all actually, because I am not trying to fly with a cold. And, right now I want to take some offs for this because flying on a cold is the worst because you can rupture your eardrum and then you won't be able to hear anything for the rest of your life. So I'm not trying to have that. Also guys, I ordered these Kylie lip kits and I got them and I wore that one of it for the first time today and it's so perfect. It's like a perfect color for without makeup days. So wait for the video on the main channel on that. That's why I don't want to show you in the vlog, otherwise the charm will be gone, right? I need to get some grooming stuff done and I'll get that done from my mom obviously, but right now I'm about to eat some lunch because I need to take my second dose of the medicine, after which I'm sure I'm gonna be passed out because I'll be so high from it. But I'll just scan my document on the scanner and quickly report sick before time runs out. So yeah, that's it. Hey guys, so I just got in my car, trying to do this with one hand because I'm not cool like the YouTubers who have an attached camera in their car. Anyways, so guys, you hear the sound of that? So I'm going to meet my brother up in the nearest Starbucks. We always meet, like we love going to Starbucks together because nobody's as passionate about Starbucks as we are, and like, I mean people are, but it's just, we just have that connection about Starbucks. So anyway, I'm just going to go meet him up. It's about 5:45 right now, so I should be meeting a lot of traffic, so let's just run quickly because he's kind of almost there. Okay, so there's direct sunlight on the way. I need to put these on. I'm on a red light, don't worry, okay? I'm not driving and filming. Oh god, I'm sending my brother these secret Starbucks menu screenshots that I took recently that I really wanted to try out, but then I never went to Starbucks and I can't justify going specially there to pay extra for my drinks. Okay guys, so this will do and people won't look at me weird. Also, I love this new camera. This is the GoPro Hero 5. So by the way, on my lips I'm wearing the Kylie Ginger lip palette. I love it guys, and today I am wearing glasses. Like right now I'm wearing my glasses to cover my eyes from the sunlight of course, but also to just cover out my dark circles because like I'm sick. I slept at 5 AM today morning because I slept yesterday as you saw. Anyway, I'm loving this. I can just put this here. I hope you can hear me through all the traffic and everything. I could have reached before it turned red. Tej and Rakhi Mela. Oh, I could go there, but he would not want to go there. He's not about that life. He's not. That's him, I'm sure. Hello? मैं पहुंच गई. Wow! Dude, there's no space for my car. Where do I even park? Oh no, wait, there is a space. Cool. Do you look at this? That's a good. Mine is an Irish cream coffee with non-fat milk and less cream. Look at me being so healthy. I felt so bougie and so like fancy saying non-fat milk. That felt good. My brother got the Java chip. Yes, finally united with him. Did you call me to hang out with me or to get the coffee?
Just to get a coffee.
Because walking from all the way from the metro station to here would have been too much of a walk and you didn't want to walk anymore. I knew it. I also came for the coffee, so yeah. We also got some almond biscotti, which is great, and we're just going to chit chat a little bit, YouTube stuff, and then go back, yeah? Ooh, do you like my GoPro skills? I love them.